Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the absolute best of the smoothie diet for weight loss results. So if you have not yet seen my full review of the 21-day smoothie diet, where I go into detail about how it works and all the important things you need to know before starting it, make sure to watch that video right here. And now, let's get into today's video. So first off, what are we looking at here? As you can see, the average weight loss for these 5 people was an incredible 19.6 pounds in only 21 days. So if you're someone who maybe has a little bit more weight to lose, let's say you're 30-40 pounds overweight, you're definitely not gonna lose 28 pounds in 21 days. But even if you're not one of those people, you'll still be able to lose a significant amount of weight in only 3 weeks using this diet. That's an average of almost 1 whole pound lost every single day. And these results really speak for themselves. Again, these people are just like you. And once again, the difference in her before and after photos is really remarkable. They're real people who have real lives, and they've managed to lose a significant amount of weight in only a short period of time using the smoothie diet. These are real stories from real people who have lost a significant amount of weight using this diet. She says, "I am so grateful for this program. It has changed my life." He says, "I am so excited to continue my journey." Take a look at this. She says, "I am so happy with my results. I have tried everything, and nothing works as well as the smoothie diet. He looks so much better. He's more confident, he's happier, he's healthier, and he's keeping the weight off." And the answer is, you'll drink 4 smoothies per day, 1 for each meal. This is a chart of the top 5 best results from the 21-day smoothie diet that were submitted by real people just like you who have used this program. And as you can see here, these results are absolutely incredible, with people losing up to 28 pounds in only 21 days. But wait, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole picture. And if we take a look at her before and after photos, the difference is truly remarkable. She looks like a completely different person. Now keep in mind that these are the top 5 best results out of thousands of people who have used this program. In fact, most people lose between 10 to 20 pounds in only 21 days. And the answer is, if you're overweight or obese and you want to lose weight fast, then yes, this diet is perfect for you. All you do is simply blend the ingredients together, and that's it. So second, let us take a look at some before and after photos of real people who have used the smoothie diet to lose weight. As you can see here, this woman lost an incredible 44 pounds in only 4 months using the smoothie diet. This man here lost 28 pounds in only 8 weeks using the same exact program, and his before and after photos are also incredible. Take a look at this woman. She lost 33 pounds in only 12 weeks using the smoothie diet. Third, I want to show you some of the top success stories from the 21-day smoothie diet. So here we have Maria, who lost 21 pounds in only 21 days. We also have Jessica here, who lost 15 pounds in only 10 days. And here is another success story from someone who lost 25 pounds in only 3 weeks. So as you can see, these are just a small fraction of the countless success stories that come from people using the 21-day smoothie diet to lose weight. Fourth and finally, I want to show you some frequently asked questions about the 21-day smoothie diet and how it works. So the first question is, will I lose weight on the 21-day smoothie diet? And the answer is yes. The next question is, how many meals will I eat per day? Next, how do I prepare the smoothies? And the answer is, it's super easy. Next, is this diet healthy? And the answer is yes. In fact, this diet is very healthy and it's based on whole natural foods. And finally, is the 21-day smoothie diet right for me? If you're ready to start your weight loss journey today, so go ahead and click that link and start losing weight with the 21-day smoothie diet.